In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Smartsheet account. We'll walk through this process step by step to make sure everything is clear and straightforward so you can smoothly cancel your subscription without any confusion. Whether you're switching to a different platform or simply no longer need the service, I've got you covered. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Smartsheet account. Go to the Smartsheet website and enter your login credentials, as you would normally do to access your account. This is essential because you'll need to be in the account that you wish to cancel in order to proceed with the cancellation process. Once you're logged in, you'll want to direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll notice an account icon there. This icon typically displays your avatar or your name, serving as a gateway to various account settings. Click on this account icon. By doing this, you expose a range of options that allow you to navigate through the essential parts of your account settings. Next, head over to the section labeled Account. From the ensuing drop-down, you'll want to choose Account Admin. This section is vital as it holds the administrative settings for your account management. After selecting Account Admin, continue to the Plan and Billing info. This area contains all the pertinent details about your current plan, the billing information associated with it, and crucially, the option to manage your subscription. Now, once you're in the Plan and Billing info section, you should see the option to Cancel Account. Clicking this option is a decisive step, as it initiates the process to discontinue your subscription with Smartsheet. It's important to be certain that canceling is what you want to do because following through with this step will terminate your account. After hitting the Cancel Account button, Smartsheet might prompt you with confirmation steps, possibly asking for a reason for cancellation to help them improve their services in the future. It's good to take a moment to provide this feedback if asked, as it can give you the opportunity to articulate your experience with Smartsheet. Once you've completed the confirmation process, your account will be scheduled for cancellation according to Smartsheet's terms and conditions. It's wise to make sure you've downloaded any important data or information from your sheets beforehand, as access will be limited once the account cancellation is fully processed. And there you have it. By following these instructions, you've successfully navigated the process of canceling your Smartsheet account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this guide useful. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Until next time.